What happened to 34.1?
If you Koro or you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Star Times channel 195, channel 17 for my TV, and internet www.wazobiatv.tv/live. For those who they watch us for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt, we dey on top of UHF 57. We don't come again with that Ogbonge politics discussion show this Tear Rubber Monday to discuss all the action to the way happen inside Obodo Nigeria for this weekend wey pass. So we don't go waste time, we go delve straight into our discussion. But before we do so, I go like say happy Eid al-Kabir to all our brothers and sisters and everybody inside Obodo Nigeria. When they talk say the message of peace, the message of love, the message of hope, and the fact say we dey united as one Nigeria. Now we go continue to dey promote. My name na Ezu Gochokwote, and as usual I know dey alone inside studio. Today go special. I dey with my brother Win Sabuel. I stay concerning politics matter as Ide.
Yes, good morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now, and happy Salah to our Muslim brothers and sisters, and also our Christian brothers as well, because I know say now they also they do it. They also share the event, they share the joyful mood with our brothers, that's our Muslim brothers and sisters. Today that Monday, where we'll give that the Tear Rubber edition, where we'll give that the major stories waiting happen over the weekend, so that at least for our viewers who do it, we know they up to date. We go feel at least now, feel they follow up. Me not bear in mind say we get 3 solid telephone line for now. 1 toll-free line. Toll-free line, I go call. Not gonna express myself, but for the payment to come, I leave that one for us. We know how to go take handle. And for information, we get one Ogbonge guest. What I mean Ogbonge guest. This one a masquerade, heavy masquerade. Not be all this my kind of masquerade. When I say masquerade, heavy what we say, you go barely they see them. They at least attend the event like this. But today, you can't honor our own program. Because yes, he must to be here today. And Chuku go do normal introduction when that time comes. So Chuku they take over.
We don't go waste time. We go introduce our Ogbonge visitor. Like Unko be talk, he know they waka anyhow. But based on saying a person when we say he carry the interest of him people and Nigerians, the generality at heart, he don't decide okay, time don't reach for them to come out, come they talk, follow Nigerians, rub mind, discuss in the interest of everybody, so that we go move our country forward. In a person when we say Oyibo people go talk say he has his hands in several pies. That is to say, because he be man of great intelligence, based on the way when we say King Solomon did that year. They talk say, okay, Oga, you go help us chook eye for certain things. That is to say, he be honorable member when they for different important committees inside the National Assembly. And they talk of no other than Honorable Ogene Emmanuel Ego. And he be the rep when we say they represent Amuwo Odofin Federal Constituency for inside this, our Lagos State for National Assembly. Honorable, welcome to Asi the Hot.
Thank you very much. It's sweet me for body. Say I come here today.
Thank you
for
very
a long
much,
time. I've been thinking about I go come here to greet our people. And this is a good occasion. Our people are doing Salah. Who should that type person if we greet them?
Yes.
I greet my people for Salah. People of Abu Odofi, I greet you for Salah. Abu Odofi people that are good people, special people, kind people. These are people when we say, did they elect me for office every time? They elect me as councillor for Badagry local government 20-something years ago. They elect me as councillor for Ijaw local government 20-something years ago also. Now, they elected me later to be public secretary NRC for Sir Michael Otedola government. That was our government, where we take good people for our people. Now, again, they don't elect me again to represent them at the Federal House of Reps. Very good people. They always elect me.
You know,
And the good thing about this about of people will be saying, when they elect me, they don't take money from me. They don't hold me for everything. Once I come out, it's just the support.
They will just give you the support.
About of people, I hail that.
Honorable,
I thank you that.
we appreciate the fact that
God bless you.
People of Abu Odofin, you really they appreciate the good work when we say they don't do for you. But quick one, we go rush enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we go delve into our discussion. But I go explain something before we start that discussion. Don't go anywhere. Now still Asi the Hot. And as usual, this one will come up plenty fire because Unkubi and myself, we go ask the questions so I want to ask.
Yes,
don't go anywhere. We they come back.
Thank you. Explain to me first.
Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Before we go that break, I been talks I go explain something when we come back. And because of waiting, our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Ogene Emmanuel Ego, been talk. And before he starts the particular discussion for today, he been talk and say over 20-something years ago, say for Badagry, they elect him as councillor. He also talk, say he go further, he even become the publicity secretary for the National Republican Convention, NRC, that year for 1993 something. And he also talk, say for Ojo too. And now he's representing people for Amuwo or Dauphin. The reason why I want to explain this thing, I say, make everybody get this particular picture. If you check, our honorable, when they consider with us for inside studio today, he come from Delta State, but in they represent in people for inside Lagos State. Make I break them down. He get business for inside this Lagos. He get things when we say they do for inside this Lagos. And he see and say, okay, oh, if me and my people when we be around, if we want to make our country really move, if we want to make we really enjoy life, if we want to make we really benefit from democracy, make all of us join hands together. So what would they try talk this morning and say, nothing like say, where is he from? Is he from my village? Is he from my brother? Is he a son of the soil? Exactly. Why is he representing us? Yes. If the person, a good person, and he go represent una well, make una give him una support. Honorable, once again, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Thank you very much. As I sit down here, so at the CC, it is hot proper.
Honorable, the thing never begin the hot. You know, say we go so who could be innovating. You know when the thing will go hot where when we ask the question finish and today, you know, say based on Salah. You know, honorable based on Salah. And Salah thing suppose hot too. You go hot. Who be but Mo just continue. Now the first one we'll go discuss now. Eid el-Kabir. We call this one peace, hope, one Nigeria. You get one particular practice when they inside Obodo Nigeria. Not be just Eid el-Kabir, not be just Eid el-Fitri. Any celebration when get to do with religion or big thing for inside Obodo Nigeria, our political leaders, the ones where they government, the ones when they before, the ones where they plan to enter, and plenty of people who they look up to for society, then they come out to come they preach. And that preach now say, as one Nigerians, make we do everything what we do for our power to move our country forward. And different people preach. From the Senate President, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, the leader of the All Progressives Congress, the President of Nigeria, PDP, APC, everybody. The interesting thing be say, whether na under umbrella, whether na broom, whether na COA, whether na any party, everybody they use one mouth to talk. And one thing when everybody they talk now say, this particular period, na period when we say, aside from say we dey chop ram, they drink, they chop jollof rice, make we sit down, make we think, say, this country belongs to all of us. Make we join our hand together to move this our country forward. And our God President come talk say, now when they say, it be like say our economy don't red, say this na the time when we say we will give ourselves inspiration, pull our resources, join hands together to move this our country forward. So we they talk say this Eid el-Kabir celebration, everybody they talk about peace, everybody they talk about hope, everybody they talk about one Nigeria. And idea we will leave them as Eid dey hot.
Yes, and from there we will enter straight to the next one we get to do with Operation Crocodile Smile and Niger Data Matter. We be here just yes, say the military, they don't do it, they don't show their strength, and there are different training on how to do it and on how to address this Niger Data Matter. And to also add to this, we could also there where say yes, this drilling with the drill, it take place for 3 different states. We'll talk about River State, we'll talk about Bayelsa State, we'll also talk about that is this thing, Delta State. These 3 major states. So we say then when it comes to our resources, then there be strong powers for there. And apart from this, the militants on their own part, they also come and talk say, hey, okay, men they show our strength. We serve, we they ready for now. We also they do it, we also they drill. They also show say we serve, we they ready for now. But the question of course, I will say, hey, if they see 2 people we say they don't get any reconciliation on how to address a particular issue, we say it affect the country, which way forward. Now the question they ask, and now the question we will continue to ask at least until government do it, they find a lasting solution when it will lead to bigger and problem for our country.
From that particular story, we enter the final one. And this one is something where we say, it come up plenty smoke over this weekend. And it get to do with one big money like that, $34.1 million US. We not go waste time on top of that story because we go carry and go meet Honorable. Ask him why he be say, people in the government, somehow, some kind million and dollars and pounds, if they enter their account. Meanwhile, the account of the people when they inside the country, if they be like say they read for them. But we'll break the story down. Former First Lady of Obodo Nigeria, Patience Jonathan, they talk say she carry Skybank Bank and also the EFCC go court say they freeze account when me say she talk say the money when they inside and she get the money. People come dey ask say wait oh, how e be say na you get this kind of money? If we check based on say first lady, you dey for a period of time, the money wey you make, you no fit reach this particular amount. Wetin you make say the thing enter inside this one? But based on say EFCC say they do investigation, we no go waste too much time on top of this story. But because we don't hear different things about people when the government and how big money they dey inside some kind account when we say they talk say they aware of. We go ask Honorable make it answer whether all of us too go enter inside that place, make we see whether our own account self fit dey increase. But all those ones now the three stories we carry come based on As E Dey Hot. Honorable, once again, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much. As I talked before, I'm happy to come here today.
Honorable, no waste time.
Yes.
Make we start from this third story because I know say that Eid Kabir own and the message of peace. And waiting you carry waka come for. Make we talk and well. But this last one, $34.1 million US. We know they even talk about this story because this one investigation they ongoing. But we don't hear different cases. Like recall that period when we say they talk say bank or some kind top people for bank that they give themselves loan. They been get one gist when come and when they talk say one of the women when be senior person for bank that time Oceanic Bank say nanny when they take care of her children and they open account with her name and billions now they inside. We also know somebody when they Senate today, even though he didn't under investigation, make I no call his name, but he represent the people for Senate. They talk say he use house girl, open big money, billions they inside. Now we don't hear this one. Honorable, I don't know. Now you go fit tell us because you sabi them. All of una
at least some in-house.
We will be ordinary Nigerians.
Yeah, so at least explain to Nigerians like this.
We won't make you tell us now. Why it dey very easy for people when they government? Make it just be like say big money go just wear makeup, enter inside their own account. Wear concor shoe with mini skirt, enter inside their own account. Meanwhile, people when they inside the country, they suffer. Why is they so?
Well, the thing wey happen be say before due process, people don't dey follow am before. And as a result, some people begin to shook hand for government money. And it bad well because if you see say hospital not dey, road bad, schools, teachers not dey, problem dey country, now because people dey thief the money. All this money when they work out enter people account. Now money where is supposed to help me and you. Look today, look as dollar don't go. People they hungry, people they suffer everywhere. Yes, some people they count billion, $34 million. That is billions of naira. If I see that kind of money, I feel faint. What the person want that money do? You go eat. You don't go feel finish. Your pikin go eat. You don't go feel finish. Only the interest, so your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren go eat. You don't go feel finish. Yet people they thief this money. And this money and money when they supposed to take set up big industry.
Yes.
Make common man they work for the place. They hide that for one bag. We go say work not day. People finish university, work not day. Common man they're hungry. Yet people they carry this kind of money. Make I talk up. I be PDP, but I support our president as he fight corruption. I support her.
Honorable.
In fact, for this always talk.
No. Honorable. Who could be? You know what? Honorable. My PVC. I will go clean them down.
Oh, so you don't even among the people where
No.
Wait. Hold on.
No.
You don't among people where we say like our former ex. Where also do their own.
No, let us.
No. You don't say.
No, let me start with you.
Start with
you. See, say all the thing where Honorable talk here. Honorable no promise when we still they wait for. Honorable don't talk and say this particular money, if the thing come, they're supposed to use and do this, they're supposed to use and do that. Honorable not tell us, say he go give us 5,000. He don't tell us say he go feed children. No, you start time, you tell me say you don't do.
You don't respect
today is Salah.
It's the Monday morning. It's the Monday morning. Respect yourself. Honorable, just respect our guests.
Honorable, time of peace.
Thank you very much.
Time of happiness.
Now you start the fight.
We celebrate with our Muslim brother.
Okay.
Honorable, I beg.
We don't fight.
May I bring the same question? Just summarize and here. A quick one. Okay, you talk something to say yes. Money when it's supposed to do it. Take invest into at least things that will make better the life of people. They're just as the earlier talk. But then, to how we go also ensure say this president though, the fact say you won't fight corruption. Say this corruption fight we don't they talk about, we don't they preach about. They will really see the result of this corruption fight. Make it not be say we just end up the same way we they get pending cases. Where we say in the end, we know they see results.
Now be the question because as our president fight corruption. They don't recover a lot of money. Now, this money where they recover, what will they take and do? Let's use it to help people. People, they suffer. People, they're hungry. Even to buy tomato, it's hard. Price of rice, it does scatter, go up. Pass double. Price of food, price of transport, everywhere. As I call people, they cry. What I advise president, say, as when they get this people for the announcer, they go say, we don't get so billion. Who bring the billion?
Yes,
Now this billion, what do you want they can do?
Yes.
They can do something when everybody go happy.
Go feel reflect.
When it go help us so that the country go move forward, so that poor man don't go to cry and that kind of thing. These are the things when we just say, make we take and do. Because this country, it be like say, we don't move forward,
Very
not
true.
backward.
Very true.
Up to now, we don't get good electricity. Small country like Ghana, when don't get money,
Benin Republic even.
they get electricity. We don't get. Because of that, we don't fit to employ people. Because without electricity, you cannot employ.
Yes.
Now, agriculture, once government is supposed to put money, train school leaver, train university graduate, give them loans. The money, they CBI get money, they fit do intervention. Right now, the TS thing what they do for CBI, over 3 trillion they for there. Instead of we to the judge, they look this money.
Make we
don't say,
channel am into
channel
wetin
am.
Something go even bring in more.
If you give one graduate, say, oh yeah, we'll give you 3-4 million. Oh yeah,
Just start
we'll
with
do
them.
one.
Money
With the
tara.
idea where plenty
Why?
Nigerians
Yes.
get.
When you dey to plant rice,
Yes.
of course, when you know say money dey, when you reap, you go make profit. When you
Yes.
not go
Yes.
plant.
Very true.
Yes.
Now, bag of rice when they sell for 9,000 before, it don't need 20,000.
20,000.
As I be so, if you
And-
give me
and
money,
then
so that I
even
go
the-
plant rice, I go plant because I know say when I go sell them, I go
You go make
plenty
profit.
yes.
Very true.
But government need to get milling equipment so that
Yes.
when people plant their rice, they go feel million. Sand on
Yes,
the day, you come be like Oyibo. Government need to help our people.
Very true.
Our people are suffering. Make I tell you one thing. I can't think am I say instead of me to the complain say Buhari government dey difficult, people dey suffer. Make I see what I can do for the people, and that is why over the weekend, over 300 families. I give some keke mara, I give some motorcycle, I give some grinding machine. This is a grinding machine where we say big one. You put am for front of your house, the money you will get, family fit take and dey feed their children on daily basis. Apart from that, I give generator for those where they do business. We give freezer, those where they sell pure water and that's what. We keep this because instead of me to they complain.
Yes, yes. I think
Don't
we give them
empower
something
people
where they will take
Yes,
start up.
they are happy.
Honorable.
And then we don't end here. People they complain every day say, oh, no money for our children to go to school. This we don't buy bus when can carry 80 people at once.
80.
If they carry children go school free, they bring their bags free. Today this ceremony, before we do, I enter the bus. You know, reach some mosque, carry people, draw some people from mosque. If they draw people from mosque, for prayer ground, they draw people. And with the station for prayer ground, once people close,
You go carry them go out.
Carry them go out.
Honorable,
We
make I
need to help
Honorable, make I
people
ask this
to do this for
question.
years.
The way you don't explain this thing, it can't be like say government no hard.
You know hard. No, you
But some
know
people,
hard.
so no be say no hard. But
No,
if you
your
want to
mind
do am,
go decide whether
you
hard
go
or
do
not.
am. But honorable, make I ask. Why e be say some people they make government they look like say na
Na
further
one
mass
kind-
and you need scientific calculator. Shey na say their
Na
own
project.
government different from the one wey you dey talk about because e be like say the one wey you dey talk about na land of milk and
Simplicity
honey.
in government.
But the other one e just be like say
Thank you
government
very
na
much. Thank you very
Babylon.
much. You have said it.
Make
all.
I tell you, what did they happen? We say, it gets some people when not get political calling.
It could be.
Political
They go there,
calling.
yes,
Why
they
why
go
call
there.
my name now?
They make money for government to make myself go there.
see
Make
am?
I go thief.
You see am?
And that's what did happen.
see am?
When I be councillor for Badagry division, the governor of Lagos sit down and but they can bear me out.
From the smallest councillor.
Yes,
Nkubi, can you see?
He started from the
I'm-
root.
He's under the umbrella. He's under the umbrella. And we can see what he's
Yeah.
doing.
They related to the political party.
She Femi Davis, when we council chairman for Badagry, I go meet him and say, that time I'm about the worry our area. They say they need police station for Agboju. No police station. I go meet her. I beg him, we put her for budget. And then that Agboju police station, I build am for the people. When she Femi Davis be our chairman. And I thank him.
Until today, na
And
lasting
then
legacy.
Ambode was the treasury department and they released money for us to build that police. You know, it's in there. And the market for Ijeku today, now me build that. It was big water and I mean Safrila started the structure. Today a shop for that place, you know, now me allocated the shop. Today a shop for that place, it costs over 10 billion naira. But I don't allocate shop to myself. My wife don't get shop for that market. But I mean, midwife that market.
And now from the smallest position
Yes,
where you
that
acquired
is
that
it.
time,
That
now
is
you
why-
don't do all these things.
That's why when I come out for this House of Rep, those when did that and they say, this man,
This
what
man,
he do for us?
he they talk and
Somebody of past record,
And
yes.
that's why they don't take cover from me. Anywhere I go, when people say, okay, you go bring money, people say, you don't know how
Chukudi, make we just make
Now, you know what you're gonna do for us?
Honorable,
But we can
Mo just wrap up this
Summarize,
one in
yeah.
the next 45 seconds
Thank
because,
you.
like I talk, I said you did part of plenty committees, and one of them get to do with financial crimes. Make we just want in 45 seconds, make you tell us what in government fit do to use ensure say some bad people when they government when no get political calling, they no go just they look our account, they use straw, they drink am, they enter inside their own. What be the things when government fit put in place when go make it difficult for these bad people to the to the chop money?
Me at the talker, government need to find out, check when you put ministers, so when the executive arm, when you get budget, local government chairman, governors, government need to find out how it be say before you enter office. The only money where they account at 20 billion. How it can be say you come up from office, you get 8 billion.
Just
Where the money come
skyrocket.
from? People need to give account even after they don't come up from office. If they don't do it like that, people will just say government are just a good steal.
Yes.
Whereas our people go to suffer. Government, when you get interest for government, you get political calling. All your own that to go help people.
Yeah.
I can tell you one thing. After I leave the last position, which be Otedola government as public secretary after that election, this position when I did so, it take me 80 years. I've been struggling I've contested, this is the third time before I enter. So if I need to say that money, I just look for. As you don't work water, I say, may I come out?
I don't tire.
But the desire to serve the people did.
Yes, I confess.
I keep doing it. Some of the things I did, then my own money, I even had to borrow money from bank to do it. Because when you not do it, they go say, we're not going to do government. What did they do? Yesterday, as we give the things out, over 300 area boys came. They said they want their own. I said, yes, when I come from my local government. But when I wait for the next one, they said, no, they want their own. Of course, the one where we give to them. Everybody happy. Yesterday, they begin to say, when Ogenede the rule, when Ogenede the government to, Amu will go better. When Ogenede the rule. They were singing that everywhere because of what they do to them. And they appeal to people. When they put you for position, do things to help the people.
Okay, very true.
When you come out, it don't matter.
Yes, so
but people
honorable, you don't. In fact, make we not even talk. There's no point even singing more song because already from the few things where you don't talk,
exactly,
you don't say yes. You are truly a man of the people. And from that, make we enter straight into this next story. And this one get to do with the same way they get relationship with your own people. How we also fit look into this particular matter we want to talk about. Also establish a relationship. Okay, for instance, we don't hear them now. Operation Crocodile Tears way the militants they claim. We don't hear the drill way the military, able military don't carry out for Delta, Bayelsa, and Rivers. I want to say as they will take do it, address the issue of Niger Delta and at least stop the destruction that happened there. But then, if we don't get to and fro kind of say, okay, we want to negotiate, we don't want to negotiate, we want to negotiate, we don't want to negotiate. These people they're interested, and we they're interested, and all that from government and the military. How which way forward? Because the major thing is how we take find that major ground if it's okay.
Permanent solution
to this
for the problem of Niger Delta.
Make I talk out straight, say I support the president, make he help us get peace. And if they find people when they disturb Nigeria, I support the president. But sometimes, when the battle too much, it's not good. And sometimes, it better make we seek concord rather than discord. Now, if you look now, you go see say, Yaradua was a great man, he's late. But when Yaradua says, these people, they fight too much, he say, come, we give them amnesty. And things get better. Now, this boys when it comes so, sometimes the ice says too much. They do scatter things. It makes us not to be able to export oil. Nigeria is losing money. People are dying investment, not they come. But what I go advise our president say, you are the father of all.
Yes.
Father of all, go get some good boys, go get some bad boys.
Yes.
Just like area boys came to invade my house about 300 years a day. We enter kitchen, begin cook for them. Come, we do meeting. Let's reach agreement. What do I want? What do I feel do from my pocket? I feel do. What I not go do.
Yes.
What I advise the president say, take the Niger Delta people as your children. Already, our father, Ike Clerk, called a meeting. I was invited for that meeting also. Where all stakeholders agreed in a full Delta state. Say, make they stop this armed struggle. They go talk to president. President come, negotiate. Whatever you that reach, make we settle. I feel say that way it better. Now, Operation Crocodile here, when they carry go there now. it will cost billions. That money we are spending for that, it's better you use it to make we take and help the common man. So I go back president. Those things not go work the same. The way you are do, make we see do like that. It's better for us. You don't be say you be coward. They are your children. Everybody be your children. I bet the president, let's go together. For instance, you don't break the amnesty is under my committee. You can imagine the situation. Amnesty budget at 65 billion. As they come down, they cut down to 20 billion. A lot of the boys, when they give pay salary,
they know they see money collect again.
They see money collect again. But apart from that, some of them, they school. Money to pay school fees, you don't take again.
Allowance, feeding.
Some of them for abroad, they are most deported them. So because of that now, most of these, but they verse. You know? So what I think we need to do, instead of us to spend the money to fight them, okay, amnesty, how much we feel still bring to help so that these people will get scholarship, we can train them. Others will never get scholarship, the rehabilitation will never complete, let us work on them. If they put that money for that war, for peace, it better pass with a good year. And this is what they do. You they move for Warren Street, you they move in Ugele, in all the area, in Rivers, in Port Harcourt, DC. But these boys, they creek. They be part of people, they hide. Later on, they go come, begin scatter things. You know, so make president, try to make peace. But when our boys, when they scatter things, make would not do them again. Not cooperate with president.
Now what you talk about?
Good, because we need peace.
For development.
Employment go come. Development go come. So as the best president, as he beg our boys, make would not disturb president.
Yes.
Make would reach agreement. Make amnesty work.
Yes.
So even what you want, even if you don't get it, even if that's small you get, make we manage.
In fact, honorable, you don't also talk. Make we do it. Make we not will take unite and ensure say we get relationship with the president. So at least that's what we want to go figure them. I'm on this ground. Make we do it. Make we quickly enter market. When we come back, honorable still for us, and the matter continues as it is hot.
Welcome back to Tierra Monday on top of Acid the Hot. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ugbonge visitor. We know they work anyhow. Honorable Ogene Emmanuel Ego, they're inside studio. The Honorable, they represent Amu Odofi Federal Constituency based on Lagos things. I know it shows the people go look, say, the name, if you check you suppose they hear Musubao, Musiliu, or Kundus. But we don't talk and say, if you be good person, people go come out, they will support you. Our Honorable come from Delta State, but he get interest for inside Lagos State. And people come look and say, no, this man when we say, when we even vote him in as councillor, he do the things when we say, we'll not be forget. People give him big position, he go do more. They can't give him that particular support. And we carry 3 stories come on top of Aside. The first one get to do with the message of hope, peace, and one Nigeria based on Idel Kabir and waiting our leaders them they talk. The second one get to do with Operation Crocodile Smile for inside the Niger Delta. And the final one get to do with $34.1 million US. When we talk say like say don't get leg waka. Honorable don't use plenty wisdom. Answer all these questions and we go throw our phone lines open, make una call to Chukma for inside this matter and talk am based on as Ide hot. Honorable, make we come focus on this very, very important one. Every time we do this kind of celebration, whether Christmas or Boxing Day or Easter, Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Malud, Eid al-Kabir, plenty people they come and they talk say we don't need wahala inside Nigeria. We need peace. We need love. We need this. We need that. But it be like say somehow now talk we they talk. Our action no they show. We go like make you, especially when we say you be good. As I even they look you from here, say
we know say
as I they look you from here, you resemble Apostle Paul from this angle when they look you from. We go like make you use this your cool voice and your gentle demeanor. Make you talk to our brothers and sisters, whether the ordinary Nigerian or whether those when the government say, indeed, peace, indeed, hope, indeed, love, indeed, unity. Not be something of just mouth. We suppose the act time and everybody go to see them.
Thank you. I thank you. Now, every time we talk peace, 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 let's come together, which is good. I appreciate it.
Yes.
But you see, you cannot blame some people. Some people are being left out. When we say somebody carried $34 million, which is several billions of naira, and then the common man, they suffer. The area boy, they suffer. Common woman, they suffer. How you wanted the peace?
Let them they preach peace, yes.
When we say the money from where these billions they come out, now their money, it belongs to all of us. Only one person pulled that one. Another person, you know, they get enough money to buy ogi, give it pikin. Breakfast, no protein inside. Just to eat eba amala. Lunch, dinner, the same thing. Area boy, some boys go take less, waka long distance because no money to hire bus, no money to enter bus. Now, if they say peace, peace, how those people want to listen? Because they see say people when they rule us, they thief their blind. This is say we don't be fool. Even that they do that, therefore, make we say do our own. That's why peace don't.
We get Oga Chris all the way from Ikorodu on top of our telephone line.
Okay.
And we know say Ikorodu place, now places where we say grassroots people full plenty.
Ikorodu,
Oga Chris, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Yes.
Yeah, good morning, Ukubi.
Good morning, Oga Chris.
Barika de Salah.
I wish you the same, Jerry.
I want to greet my honorable when sit down there.
Yes, sir.
Now, good man.
Thank you.
The time when I did Ojo, now we elect at that time.
You see him?
But this one, when they greet only Amuwo Dofi just now, make it they greet all the Lagosians.
All Lagosians.
Because many Lagosians don't come up from Amuwo Dofi, don't come Ikorodu,
Other areas,
don't
yes.
come Epe, some don't transfer to different places.
Yes.
So make it remember all of us.
Thank you, thank you.
And I still want to talk for that crocodile smile.
Yes, we hear you.
Me, now crocodile tears they call them because many people don't they cry for Nigeria. I won't tell you lie. This the suffering is done too much. It's done too much. Make una try, make una pull head together. Make we know how we go solve this problem.
Yes.
Make everybody put party aside.
Yes.
You see, this type of thing, it don't happen for America. When Obama came in, Obama me say America don't spend too much money for war for Iraq.
Yes.
But when he came, he changed everything. The recession, he changed it. He changed everything. Changed. Now they are happy. May we put head together. Whether now PDP put us for problem, whether now APC but make all of us put head together. May we solve our problem. That be my contribution.
Oga Chris, in fact, this is your contribution, and it fits into the celebration today. And on that same note, I will say thank you very much. The phone line still dey very open, and we still collect our call. And honorable still there for us. They also they do it. They also wait for the questions, and when I will throw to them. And so, honorable, you don't talk and finish, but then make also look at. In as much as we talk say yes, so we get people with the representatives, and just like say these same people with the representatives, will be say in the end, just as they talk, they will come out, preach, collectively they will get one voice on top of say yes, so peace. As if them be, I don't know how to describe them, but then verbally,
Even for election.
thank you, verbally, they will feel talk them easily, but for their conscience. They know if you do them. How we also fit hold the responsibility to say, okay, make we hold now. But that one I talk, me now they do them. But before you go talk this one, we quickly collect this call from Oga Victor. Oga Victor, they call us from Ikorodu back to back. Good morning, Oga Victor.
Morning.
Good morning.
Nkubi and Chukudi.
I dey greet you, Oga Victor.
Chukudi. Get one?
All the man, Oga Victor.
Yes, so I want to greet the Honorable Gani as well.
Okay.
So, Oga, good morning.
Thank you, my brother.
I really love your personality and your charisma and your wisdom, really.
Thank you.
I have to be sincere with you.
Thank you.
Hello, are you with me?
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you, my brother. I have to say thank
Okay.
you.
So, and you see what? In any country, there are two major things that always, take that country backward. One, tribalism and religion. Right? So I really want to thank the people of Amuwo.
Yes, they are good people.
That they really, go above this
Yes,
and all
that
these
thought.
things that actually are the priority of Nigerians. By electing somebody who's not a Lagosian into the house. I really want to thank them firstly. And moreover, I really want to tell Nigerians, please, irrespective of where you come from, once you're a Nigerian, you're supposed to settle in anywhere, irrespective of the state you are from, and contribute to the economic and, the development of economic development of that particular place.
Very
Do
true.
you understand me?
Very true.
Yeah. So it's not because you are somebody will say I'm from this, but when you go to the other side they say they will regard you as a second-class citizen. It's not fair. So I really want to appreciate the people of Amuwo-Odofin. That I really appreciate them.
Very
Thank
true.
you.
Oga Victor,
Oga Victor,
thank you very much for this your important
I clap
contribution.
for you here, Oga Victor.
We go come
Thank
out from
you.
Lagos, enter inside Enugu, collect this call from Oga Polycarp. Oga Polycarp, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chukwode.
I dey greet you, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Honorable Gende.
My brother, I greet you too.
I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
So, if all these things you told us that you did is really truth, I'm proud of you.
Is the truth?
How many of our house members, president downwards, will be proud enough to come out and stop the say this thing for these people? That is what they pocket they find for. They are a man of the people. That's the one democracy is supposed to be. But before we have people only where you come from. When I did for Lagos, I don't live for more of the few sites. I did for Satellite Town. And I used to come to worship at Satellite at the First Tank.
Okay.
I know that Abuja Market, how it used to be.
Yes.
I thank God you have transformed that place. Another thing you did. Apparently, these people, these poor people who are causing menace to us. So I keep it up, my brother. God will continue to bless you.
Yes, so.
Those who they fight crocodile smile or crocodile tears. That is not what happened to America in Vietnam. Because when the Americans went to Vietnam to underestimate the Vietnamese, until they showed a better for that place, now they respect them. So then I think that the veterans today, more than 900 people who are fighting for the rights go overtake them. How many of them have to swim?
Thank you.
They don't go boat is about. Those ones can overturn that boat. Not all of them will perish. When they take time and go back to the drawing board, I'd rather show you era. Where these people and then give them job. Thank you, boss.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Polycarp, for that contribution.
And you know, that question when you asked that time.
Yes.
So why are people going to peace?
Yes. Yet. How will we take hold them?
What they are going to talk, we say, make we politicians, and we the government, make we search our conscience. We are not good to the people. We are bad. Politicians, we are bad to the people. Because you go see, man, it could be minister, somebody be general manager of one big parasata, they will allocate billions to you. All you they plan on how to thief. It's not good. That's why people they vex. But I still appeal to the people. You know, government changes gradually. Now there's a lot of now they check a lot of things now. This anti-corruption file when they go on now, it could reduce corruption. It can make those when one rule to come. All those when thief money, I support. But they take the money from them.
May they collect it from them.
Go back to the people.
Yes.
Because now the people get the money. It's the people's money. So why are you taking it from them? Then you deceive them and say, be peaceful, be peaceful. I must warn ourselves, we politicians. Say if we don't take time, one day people go rise against us. So therefore, we political class.
We lead by example.
Yes, lead by example. Let's do it to the people. Let's not be proud. Not be wicked. Because if you are elected, don't be saying that you get
You are elected to serve.
That is it.
Represent the
Not
people.
to
And
serve
then
yourself.
Civil servants, the money where they thief from there, even big parts.
Honorable, we get Joshua on top of our telephone line. Joshua, they call us from Magodo. Oga Joshua, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Yes.
Joshua, good morning.
Oga Joshua, you there?
Joshua, I want to hear your voice. So,
Like say
we
the
don't
network
lose.
no gree, Oga Joshua. I beg if you wan call us, reduce the volume of your television or come out anywhere where the thing dey so that we go fit hear you well. We get Kenny. Kenny, they call us all the way from Anambra. Kenny, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Kenny.
Kenny, you there?
I did.
Okay,
Yeah.
we dey hear
Good
you.
morning, we dey hear you. Talk, we dey hear you.
Okay, good morning, all.
Good
thank you,
morning.
Kenny.
Actually, I just want to thank you for this program and also this platform where we bring come our doorstep more express our views
Yes,
and also
sir.
our opinions. So, which I get to ask now, I just want to ask if other countries, if they preach about one united Nigeria, one united state, or let me say US now they please say let's come together at USA, or this one will say one USA or one England or one this or one that. So I actually want to ask question whether this is not like that for other countries, why we they preach and for Nigeria? Because one thing about unity, you don't force unity on people. Unity is something that comes from the heart.
Yes.
So if I am to love you or to show love to you,
Yes.
it needs to come from my heart.
That's true.
So you don't need to force it on me. So in my own opinion, I see that as one problem that has befallen this our state, Nigeria, right from the one. Because when the British, when they came during the amalgamation, they didn't seek our consent. They didn't seek our consent of, uniting or bringing us together with the Northerners and all that.
Very
so
true.
we weren't, they did consent on us. so they just it was
They just
something
go
like
Oga Kelly, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Make I tell sorry for there. Okay. Now, Oga Kelly, when you talk, it's correct. When did they bring this unity where people say they don't want to take it now? Because when they cheat some people, they cheat some part of the country, and you are unfair to some part of the country. If you are fair to everybody, nobody go complain. So I support what Kelly they talk, but it better make we come together. Because when we come together, we have a bigger population. Bigger population means bigger market. If you be trader, you get more people to buy your things. If you be manufacturer, you get more people to buy your things. You have more people to be friendly with. The country has a bigger name. It's a big umbrella, that the PDP umbrella that can cover every person. And it's better we come together. But make we want those where they government, make we want ourselves. Make we dey fair to everybody. When the candidate talk, Kenny don't go talk like that. If we say Nigeria dey fair to all the part of the country, everybody will say that our country like America. Everybody is proud to be of America. I want to beg our leaders, let's be fair in our appointment in all things on the whole country. If we do that, everybody will be proud to be a Nigerian.
Oga, that is honorable. In fact, sometimes once I just reason the way they talk, just be like say they pour me one kind of water would they make my body they melt. You understand? And plus we get another caller on our line.
Uzube, they call us all the way
good
from
morning.
Oga Uzube, welcome to Acid Hot.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Chukwude.
Good morning, Oga Uzube.
I greet you, Nkubi.
Good morning.
And the Honorable, good morning.
Morning, my good friend, what I never see.
Yes, I thank you so much.
Thank you.
I heard everything you have done in Omo. God will bless you.
Amen.
You see, this is one thing Nigerians are supposed to know. If you alone can do all these things, to compare the number of people in that representative,
Constituency, yes.
if each one of them will do the same way you do, Nigeria's problem will be solved. You see, but we are here. Nigerian politicians like to thief. And that's the problem we have. Look at the amount of money you spend in Omo Odofi. If such people that represent Ikorodu do the same thing, people that represent other places do the same thing, our problem will be solved. So God will bless you.
Amen. Thank you.
As for the crocodile smile in Niger Delta, if you can recall now, throughout the weeks, how many soldiers did they lost there? That's the question. And how many militants did they kill? So there's no way.
Now, very important question. Now you ask so. But we go just pause am for there because honorable don't answer that question. He don't already talk and say, make we get concord rather than discord. He don't talk say Oga Presido as papa of everybody based on saying they represent all of us. Make him call them, make them sit down, make them discuss. And he be even call Chief Edwin Clark talk say as elder, make everybody come together because if we go spend money say we dey fight, make we use that money develop that particular area. Thank you for your contribution. Quickly we go rush enter inside this break. When we go come back, it will be the final lap on top of Acid Hot, and then we'll come the ask honorable say based on Salah things. How Salah go be, no go anywhere, and I still ask Ide Hot. Will they come back? Welcome back to Acid Hot. From here we will do so now at the final lap on top of the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Ogene Emmanuel Ego, they inside studio. And we will discuss some of the action to the one we carry come from the weekend. First one get to do with the Eid al-Kabir celebration and the plenty message of hope, peace, and one Nigeria. The second one get to do with Operation Crocodile Smile, when we say our soldier people use to say, they want to use and show people for inside the Niger Delta say, then they on ground. And the final one get to do with the $34.1 million US. When they talk to the thing just say, it be like say people in the government, money they get like they enter inside their account. And our Ogbonge visitor don't use plenty wisdom answer all these questions. In one word, we feel explain everything. Concord rather than discord. Because if we do everything to invest in the lives of Nigerians, everybody go enjoy. Honorable, make we come bring them down more, make we discuss more. I know say some people when they house now, they go, they look, say, my agent, go and look for house in Amu Odofin. I want to pack out of this place. I
want to witness the leadership.
Exactly. Because,
I want to witness the leadership
it looks like our own honorable does not know what he's doing. So honorable, I go like make you just break them down. And like we've been talking before, you did different committees, Navy, financial and actuarial, all of them like that, and Niger Delta affairs and everything. Maybe now why the way when you don't answer the question, the thing they come from left, right, and center. But we can't talk am here now. If we want they select the good people when go represent us for government, how we go take know these people? Because I know say they know the right hand for head. And some people when it reach for them to come promise, then they promise well, but to do the action, they don't go do it.
Like a typical example is say we talk to this party. I'm a supporter of this party. Though a lot of people we will know today rode under this mantle just because of say the person they lose, where they champion and now person we say we understand, we respect. But they rode under that mantle because say make they hide behind this person. So once we enter, we do what we want to. How will we take also at least assess? People say yes, these people get that sense of leadership.
To know good person, you go be politician where get nothing to hide. Politician that is accessible. Yesterday, area boys entered my parlor. We sat down to eat together. As my wife they cook. He get to say when they brought another kind of chicken, it was wasting time. I helped them to cut, fry, let our people eat. People come to my house. Politician, when you go to campaign, nobody they enter a house. No say
something there.
Yes. A politician should be able to open his parlor.
Yes.
Let everybody enter. When I walk for councilor, boys they enter my room self. Yesterday, policemen come when they see the thing. I say leave them, make them enter.
They are my people.
They are my people. I know I built this house before I went to House of Rep. But it doesn't matter. These are my people. Let them sit down to. They could say, we don't know, so I go come. Go say, just give up for the kitchen. Make the eaters. I say no, enter. Where has food remain? They begin stand. So a politician will have nothing to hide.
Yes.
Each time I come, I send text message that everybody come, what is your problem? But there's some politicians, they hide in Abuja. So when you put the Lagos State,
nobody go know. They will guest house. We know them.
If they won't find you, person get problem, how can they come to your house?
True. Tell them.
You know, people will just see you outside. Come out, go to hide for her. What are you afraid of?
Imagine.
You know, so that is the first way to know politician. Because when the man they open, anytime you have problem, you can come to him, you can see him.
Yes.
And then you will be able to assess what he was before and what he is now. Then a politician who is ready to listen to people. Even if people say they want money, you don't get her. Look, a lot of people come to me, they want to hire a house. They die there for a house. So go say their wife just do cesarean operation, they owe money, they never decide for hospital. Some say they get fibroid. Some say they die there for school fees. Now, a good politician must be able to listen to the people.
Yes.
If the person want 100,000, you don't have to give her 100,000. If they have 50,000, you give her.
At least.
Even if they are only 20,000, if people too much, give to them. But politicians want to be say, once you enter, you don't want to hear anybody this thing. It's rubbish.
But
Then politician again, when they change phone, my phone number is the same thing, 0805 123 5453. Everybody from my local government know her. 0805 123 5453.
Honorable, I said this number we don't give. The thing go cause quarrel.
You know,
because other honorable go come begin to talk say.
Why did you?
You want to take everybody to Amu word of
No. If you come and you go see my PA there, the phone is with him.
Yes.
Same number that I don't change my number. And the answer call anytime. Politicians when don't they answer call anytime when they hide. When you call, you cannot answer.
But honorable, quickly, quickly before you listen. What you kind of advice you can also fit give this same your colleagues them? Because once they talk about your own, because which kind of advice look into their eye and say, my colleagues, see by the way they live my own example, how many they live and give them that advice, make them know say.
You don't say it's good to advise colleagues. You don't say I'll be first timer.
Yes.
For that house we did, some people did there for 16 years, some 17 years, or 12 years. Some don't did there for 8 years. Those are what they call, high-ranking House of Rep members. It's hard for me to advise them because they'll say, we do you call here? Now you got to advise me. But the only time I go tell them, both my leaders in the House, those who did here before me, and those in other political positions, we could take the interest of the common man at heart. If we don't take their interest at heart, one day they go riot against us. So the thing when we say with the thief, when would they take from there? One day when they riot, when riot day, they know poor
everybody
man.
Go know say
Everybody go they run for their life.
Honorable, you know what?
No poor man or rich man.
Honorable, you know what go happen here now?
Yes,
as we dey like this now, now Amu word of we dey go like this now.
Yes, straight
because
off,
you don't already show say you don already show say governance no be about mouth, na about action. Our people when dey for house, we dey talk say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. As we dey talk am, we go come back again tomorrow with another topic wey dey comot smoke to discuss the matter as e dey hold. Honourable, we appreciate your visit.
I'm honored.
Very much.
Thank you very much.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.